Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a side-side-side triangle. Alright, sides we're starting with is, this isn't drawn to scale. Let's say this is 14, this is 15, and this is 17. Then, let's say this is side A, this is side B, and this is side C. Right? So that means that this angle is angle C, this angle is angle A, and this angle is angle B. Now, to find and solve this triangle, you have to do a few things. Well, mainly, you have to solve it using the law of cosine. Okay? To do that, you have to find, let's say I want to find angle A, okay? So the formula is A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. I'm trying to find cosine A, okay? So then I would then you plug in. So 14 squared equals 15 squared plus 17 squared minus 15 times 17 cosine A. Now this is where you get out your calculator. So then you would just plug that into your calculator, okay? So 14 squared, 196 equals 15 squared plus 17 squared, which is 514. Minus 2 times 15 times 17, which is minus 510 cosine A. Then subtract 514 from each side. So that's negative 318 equals negative 510 cosine A. Then to get cosine on its own side, you divide each side by 510. Cross cancels. Divided by negative 510. So then negative 318 divided by negative 510 equals 0.6235. 0.6235 equals cosine A. Then you do the inverse, which is then, so cosine to negative 1, cosine inverse equals cosine inverse 0.6235 equals A. So then plug it into the calculator. 0.6235. You want to have your calculator set on degrees, and then it'll do that properly. So that's 51.43 degrees equals A. So now you have this angle, 51.43. Now you can use the law of sine to find and solve for the rest of the angles. So then copper. You only need to find one side, so one other angle. So it's 51.43. It's sine 51.43 over 14 equals, let's say I'm finding B, so that's equals sine B over 15. Okay, I consulted my notes, and so now I remember how to do it. So you want to get sine of B on its by itself. So it's, you do times 15, then that cross cancels, times 15, then sine B equals 15 sine 51.43 divided by 14. And you can plug that into your trusty calculator. 15 sine 51.43 divided by 14 equals the sine B equals 0.8377. So then you have to find the inverse. So sine negative 1 0.8377 equals B. Okay? So then inverse 0.8377, that is 56.990 degrees equals B. Okay? So now that that's established, now you have one angle, two angles. So B is 56.90 degrees. Now what's C? So then you can just do the regular stuff. So it would be angle C equals 180, because inside angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So it's 180 minus 51.43 minus 56.90 equals 71.67 degrees. 71.67 degrees. Alright, thank you for watching. This is how to solve a side-side-side triangle using, how to solve a side-side-side triangle. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.